What's up guys, hope you're having an awesome day. Today we're going to be working on the 3rd Gen Tacoma again, and we're going to be installing this Victory 4x4 roof rack. So what we're going to do is start installing or setting it up on the table and get the main frame of it assembled on the table, and then we'll move on to installing it on the actual roof of the Tacoma itself. Alright, now that I have the crossbars in the middle of this thing, I need to install both the front and rear plate on this, as well as we're going to install the light bar at the same time. Alright, before we go any further, we're going to snug up both the front, back, and the center pieces. What you're going to want to do is push this all the way to the top. See, it slides here. Push it all the way to the top before you snug it up. That way, once you set it on, this is not touching the cab, and you can adjust this and set your height once it's up on top of the vehicle. Do the same thing with the back here, is move this thing up. Alright, now I'm going to go all along here and snug these things up, except for this front one. We will end up setting the distance on this once we have the light bar brackets installed. Slide all these forward for now. So these are the light bar brackets for the front of this thing. They will sit on this cross rail right here, and then they have these little inserts that go down in the rail. There's a notch here so you can insert them, and then you'll slide them in place and then bolt your brackets on. There's 2 of these per bracket, 1 on each side. There we go. All right, this is the light bar we're gonna be using. This is the same brand as the one we put in the front bumper. I will have a link to this down in the description if you wanna check it out. So this will just go in between the two brackets that we just placed on here, and then we can situate it how we need. All right, now that I have the weather stripping out along the top here, they have these tape spots in three different locations, here, the middle, and the back. So you're gonna wanna take a drill bit, and then you can just turn that by hand, and it'll cut away the tape that's on there. There's 2 bolt holes for each spot. So you just turn it like such, and it will cut it away, and then you can mount your brackets on here.
Gotta go forward.
Hold on.
Okay. Titties. Weld her up.
Lifted.
Look.
Wait.
The holes line up. That's a good sign.
It's already lined up this way?
Yeah.
Huh.
See, and it tucks right in there. You knew it.
All right, I got the roof rack mounted up on top here. I applied a bunch of silicone on each mounting point. You want to make sure you do that because the bolts go through down to the cab and you don't want to have any leaks. But now that this thing is mounted up here, what I'm going to go do is go through and loosen these on all 6 points of where it mounts, and then we'll be able to level the roof rack and set our height. All right, now that I have everything leveled as far as the roof rack, and for leveling that, what I did is I just took these pair of pliers and stuffed those on each of the 4 corners to set my height. That works about perfect. It sets it up off of the front of the cab a little bit so it won't rub. But now that the height is set, I'm gonna go around and tighten all of the bolts and make sure everything is tight, and then all that's left is cutting or trimming the weather stripping that goes along here in the rail and putting that back in. Alright guys, the roof rack on the 3rd Gen Tacoma is officially done. Super excited with how it turned out. Make sure you drop a like down below and a comment what you think of this thing so far. Next up on the list is going to be the AluCab Canopy Camper. That should be arriving shortly, and then we'll do a video on installing that as well as a video doing a walk around. See you guys in the next one. Peace.